Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. Third standard students. Today discuss about 3-digit number, 4-digit number, and their face values. See here. Yesterday already we have learned the smallest. Listen carefully. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. The biggest 3-digit number is 999. Look at the blackboard, everybody. Listen carefully. Today discuss about 4-digit number. Why discussing about 4-digit number? Already you know about the 3-digit number. See, this is 999 is a greatest 3-digit number. It hides 3 places from right to left side. See here, ones, tens, hundreds. See, you can write here ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. See here. Ones, tens, hundreds. 999. Okay. 999. 1 is added to 999. See here. 9 plus 1 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 9 plus 1 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 9 plus 1 10. See here. While 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. By adding 1, you can get 1000. So, 1000. Here, 999, it has 3 places from right to left in a given number. According to the place value chart, from right to left, the first place is called ones place, the second is called tens place, and the third place is called hundreds place. Now, you can form a new place, that is fourth place. So, this is called as thousands place. See here, it is very simple. You know that the 3-digit number has hundreds, tens, and ones. When there are 4 digits, 1000 means it has 4 digits. See, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. It has 4 digits. In a number, there will be a new column beside the hundreds place. ఈ హండ్రెడ్స్ ప్లేస్కు పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి కాలం ఏదైతే ఉందో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ థౌజండ్స్ ప్లేస్. ద ఫోర్త్ ప్లేస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ థౌజండ్స్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ ఏ గివెన్ నంబర్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. See here, 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. By adding 1, you can get 1000. In 1000, it is a 4-digit number from right side to left side. So the first place is called ones place, the second place is called tens place, the third place is called hundreds place, and the new place is called, that is the fourth place is called thousands place. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. In smallest 4-digit number, it has 4 places from right to left side. See here, listen. See, this is first place, this is second place, this is third place, this is fourth place. First place is called ones, second place is called tens place, third place is called hundreds place. Now next the new place, that is the fourth place, is called thousands place. So it can be read as 1000. 1000. Then now this 1000 is the smallest 3-digit number. Sorry, 4-digit number. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. It has 4 places. The 4th place is called thousands place. The greatest or the biggest 4-digit number is 9999. So 1001, 1002, 1003 like that. 1002, 9999. These are the 4 digits numbers. But 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. So you can write their place values. So for example, here ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. See page number 19. This is ones place. Look at the page number 19 from course book. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. I am 8. So 8 means 8 is in ones place. Or 80, tens place. Now 800, 8 is in hundreds place and 8000, 8 is in thousands place. So it can be read as 8888. 8888. The first 4-digit number is 1000. So it can be called as the smallest 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number in a place value chart. The 4th place from the right is called the thousands place. The 4th place is also called the thousands place. The place value chart for 1000 can be written as this like only. 1000. It can be written as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the 4th place is called thousands place. It can be written as 1 is in thousands place, hundreds place 0, tens place 0, ones place 0. Then it is 1000. So now let us write the total score of Kohli in the place value chart. Already yesterday we discussed about Kohli's runs. Okay. See here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See here in thousands place 7, hundreds place 2, tens place 1 and ones place 2. So how you can read it? 7000. 7 is in thousands place. 7000. 7000. So 200. 200. So and 12. 12 means 1 is in tens place, 1 tens 10 and 2 is in ones place. You can read 12. 212 because in ones period it has 3 places. Ones period has 3 places. So ones place, tens place and hundreds place you can read together. 7212. Did you understand? 7 is in thousands place. Thousands period. It has 2 places. Thousands place and the next one is 10,000 place. That is the 5-digit number. So then discuss about later. Now here 7212. So here 7, the place value of 7. Already you know what is the place value. The place value of a digit depends on the place it occupies in a given number. That is the place value. So 7 is in which place? Thousands place. So it can be written as 7,000. Now next 2 is in hundreds place. So 2 into 100, that is the place value of 2 is 200. Then 1 is in tens place. 1 into tens means 10. 1 tens are 10. The place value of 1 is 10. Next 2 is in ones place. 2 ones 2. The place value of a digit depends on the place. అది ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉందో దానిపై ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది దాని యొక్క ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ. The place value of a digit depends on the place it occupies in a given number. So, what is the place value of 7? 7 is in thousands place. 7 into 1000, 7,000. The place value of 7 is 7,000. Now next, 2 is in hundreds place, no? 2 hundreds, 200. Now next, another one. 1 is in tens place. 1 tens, 10. 1 tens, 10. Next, 2 is in ones place. 2 ones, 2. This is the place value. Now next, here, now I am taking another one. See here, already I discussed about 8,888. See here. Look at the blackboard, everybody. See here. See ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 8,888. Let us consider the number 8,888. The place value chart for 8,000 can be written as like this only. See, this is the 8 is in thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So first place is called as ones place. Second place is called as tens place. And the third place is called as hundreds place. The fourth column is called as, or the fourth place is called as thousands place, according to our Indian place value chart. See here, 8 is in thousands place. So 8 into 1000. So then the place value of 8 is 8,000. Next, the place value of 8. This 8 is in hundreds place. 8 into 100, that is 800. Now, the place value of this 8. So 8 is in tens place. 8 tens, 80. Now next, the place value of 8 ones. So 8 ones, 8. 8 ones, 8. So that is the place value. See, now next, face value. Not place value, face, FACE, face value. Face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself, whatever place it may be. It won't be changed in a given number. See, for example, I am taking 3,409. So, this is the 4-digit number, 3,409. Face value, it won't be change their values. As usual, same. See here, the face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. దానికి అదే face value అవుతుంది. FAC. See here. It can be written as ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This is the 4-digit number. 3 is in thousands place. 3,409. 4 is in hundreds place. 0 tens place. 9 ones place. According to our rule, face value, it won't be changed. Each and every digit in a given number. Same. The value should be same. So 3 is in thousands place. Then the face value of 3 is only 3, not 3,000. Next, the base value of 4 is 4. The base value of 0 is 0. The face value of 9 is 9. That is the face value. So, now, how will you read the 4-digit number? ఎలా రీడ్ చేస్తావు 4-digit number ని? చాలా easy. See, listen carefully. 4-digit number means it has 4 places. It is a given number from right to first 3 places are called as ones period and next is called thousands place. So thousands place it has 2 places, 1000 place and 10,000 place. You can take next 5-digit number. But here you can read how you can read the 4-digit number. See here, listen carefully. 4, 5, 2, 6. So this is the 4-digit number. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So from right to left side you can arrange the given digits in a Indian place value chart. See, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So 4 you can write in thousands place, 5 hundreds place, 2 tens place, 6 ones place. So you can read from right left to right side. So first we have to take 4. Where is 4? 4 is in thousands place. So 4,000. 4,000. And 5 is in hundreds place. 500. 2 is in tens place. 20. 6 is in ones place. 6. 4,526. Did you understand? See here, 4,526. See here. So the place value PLAC, the place value of 4 is 4,000. 4,000. 500. The place value of 5 is 500. 500. The place value of 2. 2 tens 20. 20. The place value of 6. 6 ones 6. So 4,526. See now next what is this? See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So from left to right side, 4 is in thousands place, 0 is in hundreds place, 5 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. See here, 4,000. Okay, right. 4 is in thousand place, then the face value of 4 is 4,000. See, 0 hundreds what? The place value of 0 is always 0 whatever place it may be. 0 ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నా కూడా దాని యొక్క ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుందంటే 0 అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి డోంట్ రీడ్ ఇట్. 4,000 0 hundreds correct? No. 4,057. 5 is in tens place and 7 is in ones place. So it can be read as 4,057. 4,057. So then here the numbers after 1,000 means 1,001, 1,002 like that only. 10,000, 9,999 is the 4-digit numbers. Okay. So now expanded form. Now expanded form. See here, listen carefully. I am writing some important points and important numbers. So did you observe? So 1,000 plus 1. See Nana? 1 is in ones place. This is the 1,000. Now you can write it 1,001. Next, this is 1,000 plus 9. So you can write in ones place 9. Thousands place 1. Hundreds place 0. Tens place 0. Ones place you can write 9. See here, 1,000 plus 9. Did you understand everybody? Now next, see How you can write it? 1000 plus 10. 1000 plus 10. 10 means we can write 10's place 1, 1's place 0. 0, 1. So it can be read as 1010. 1010. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now next, what is this? 1000 plus 90. So 1090. Next, 1000 plus 100. See, listen carefully. 1000. Ones, thousand. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 100. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundreds. 0, 0, 1, 1. So it can be written as 1000. See here, 1 is in thousands place, 1 is in hundreds place, 100. 1000, 100. Now next, this is 1000 plus 900. It can be written as 1900. Next, 1000 plus 1000. What we get? 1000 plus 1000. 1 space 0, 10 space 0, 100 space 0, 1 plus 1, 2. See. So that is 2000. 2000. Next, 1000 plus 8000. 1000 plus 8000. How many thousands? 9000. Next, see here, 9000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. What do we get? See, listen carefully. Is equals to. So this is expanded form, write in short form. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Listen carefully. See, in thousands place 9 is there. Write down. So 0, 0, 0. Next, hundreds place 9 is there. Tens place 9 is there. Ones place 9 is there. So 9999. This is the biggest 4-digit number. The biggest 4-digit number or the highest 4-digit number is 9999. See, now next, expanded form. Very easy. Okay. Expanded form is nothing but the sum of their place values is called as expanded form. See, given here the place value chart show the value of the digits in a number. A number can be written in many ways. Some of the are given in your textbook. Write down. See here, 3875. So this is the standard form. Number name ఏమవుతుంది 3875. See here, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. See, 3 is in thousands place, 8 is in hundreds place, 7 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. 5 is in ones place. See here, you can write their expanded form. 3000. 3 is in thousands place. So 3 into 1000, 3000 plus 8 hundreds place. 8 is in hundreds place, 8 into 100. 7 is in tens place, 7 into 10. 5 is in ones place, 5 into 1. So that is equals to 3000 plus 800 plus 7 tens 70 plus 5. This is the method of expanded form. Okay, today our session is completed. Tomorrow discuss about again expanded form, standard form and number name. Thank you for all.